Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to delete certain videos from YouTube watch history. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube History. Click on Manage History. Scroll down and click on the X icon next to the video you want to remove. Click OK to close the dialog box. You can search for specific videos using the search icon. Click on the X icon again to remove the video. Click on the calendar icon to view history before a specific date. Click on the X icon again to remove the video. Click the Clear All button to remove all the videos shown on this page. This is how you can delete certain videos from YouTube watch history. Thank you for watching.